Hi friends! The ISERR function returns the logical value true if value refers to any error value except hash value not available. Otherwise, it returns false. Let's see how the ISERR function can be used in Microsoft Excel. Open the desired Excel worksheet. Here, for demo purpose, we are using a worksheet according to the ISERR function. The ISERR function syntax has the following arguments. Value, that is the value that you want to be tested. Value can be a blank or empty cell, error, logical expression, text, number, reference value, or a name referring to any of these that you want to test. We are also showing you the description of each function we're going to use here. To check whether the value refers to any error value except value not available, select the cell where you want to get the function's result. Type equals ISERR, open parentheses, select the cell you want to check, close parentheses, and then press the Enter key. It will show the logical value true if the value refers to any error value except hash value not available. Otherwise, it returns false. In the same way, you can check other cells also. It will show the logical value true if the value refers to any error value except hash value not available. Otherwise, it returns false. See? That wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching.